Hello everybody, it's Rocking Dan Teaching Man here with a very special virtual show for the kindergarten children at Hoover Elementary in West Branch, Iowa. Hello boys and girls, how are you today? That is wonderful to hear. All right, the first song is called Be Kind to Everyone, so let's get our hands in the air, let's wave them around, and we go like this. Be kind to everyone. Let's do it again. Be kind to everyone. That's fantastic. All right, boys and girls, get ready to do those actions with me, and let's be kind to everyone together now. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. 'Cause in a world where you can be anything, be kind. You know it's the right thing to do. So be kind. Say something nice to the people you meet. Be kind. Wave your hands in the air, show you care. And be kind. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. 'Cause in a world where you can be anything, be kind. We'll do a good deed for a friend. And be kind. Use your manners all the time. And be kind. Wave your hands in the air, show you care. And be kind. Well, be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Let's raise the roof now. Be kind, 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 be kind. Be kind to everyone. 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 Yes, that was amazing, boys and girls. Fantastic. It was great to see everyone being kind to everyone and doing those actions. Fantastic. All right, the next song is a dancing song. It's called Dancing Doubles. It's all about the doubles facts like 2 + 2 = 4 and 3 + 3 = 6. So I'm going to need everyone to be dancing. The moves go like this. Doubles, doubles, dancing doubles. Let's do that again. Doubles, doubles, dancing doubles. I think you have got it. Everyone standing up. Let's go, boys and girls. It's time to dance to the doubles facts. It's dancing doubles. Doubles, doubles, dancing doubles, 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 dancing doubles. 1 + 1 = 2, and 2 + 2 = 4. Well, 3 + 3 = 6, and 4 + 4 = 8. 5 + 5 = 10. Doubles, doubles, dancing doubles, 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 dancing doubles. Well, 6 + 6 = 12, and 7 + 7 = 14. 8 + 8 = 16. 9 + 9 = 18. 10 + 10 = 20. Let's dance. Doubles, doubles, Dancing doubles, your doubles, doubles. Dancing doubles. 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. Well, 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 4 plus 4 equals 8. Well, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Doubles, doubles. Dancing doubles, doubles, doubles. Dancing doubles. Well, 6 plus 6 equals 12, and 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Doubles, doubles. Dancing doubles, doubles, doubles. Dancing doubles, it doubles, double. Dancing doubles, doubles, doubles. Dancing doubles. Yes, that was amazing. Wonderful dancing, everybody. Great. Dancing to the doubles facts. All right, boys and girls, everyone needs to be sitting down now. The next song is called What Makes a Good Friend? So help me out with the actions. We put our hands out like this, asking the question, what makes a good friend? What makes a good friend? That's fantastic. All right. Listen out for the things in the song that help to make you a good friend. And don't forget to do those actions. 2 thumbs up for good friends. All right, here we go. It's What Makes a Good Friend. What makes a good friend? 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 Good friend is kind. Good friend is helpful. Good friend is caring. A good friend is respectful. What makes a good friend? 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 Good friend says nice things. Good friend is a good listener. Good friend shares. Good friend takes turns. What makes a good friend? 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 Good friend lets everybody play. Good friend smiles. Good friend looks after others. Good friend uses their manners. What makes a good friend? 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 I can be a good friend. Point to yourself. I can be a good friend. You can be a good friend. Point to your friends. You can be a good friend. We can be good friends. Yeah, we can be good friends. What makes a good friend? Can you tell me what makes a good friend? 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 Wow, that was amazing. It was wonderful to see Everybody there doing the actions to what makes a good friend. Fantastic. All right, boys and girls, the next song is all about following directions. It's called the Bounce Song. So when I sing bounce, you are going to need to bounce up and down. When I sing bounce to your left, bounce to your left. When I sing bounce to your right, bounce to your right. And when I sing bounce from side to side, you need to bounce from side to side. Okay, boys and girls, standing up, let's get ready to bounce. Here we go now. Bounce, 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 bounce. You need to bounce, 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 bounce to your left, bounce to your right, or bounce from side to side. You need to bounce, 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 bounce. You need to bounce, 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 bounce to your left, bounce to your right, or bounce from side to side. You need to bounce, 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 bounce. You need to bounce, 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 bounce to your left, bounce to your right, or bounce from side to side. You need to bounce, bounce, bounce. Well, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down quietly. Yes, that was amazing, everyone. It was wonderful to see everybody bouncing up and down and to the left and to the right. And it's so fantastic to see everybody sitting down quietly now, because the next song is called The Friends of 10. It's all about the addition facts that add up to 10. So I need your help. I need you to point to yourself, and we go like this. I know a number. His name is 10. Show your 10 fingers. Let's do that again. I know a number. His name is 10. And then 10 had a party. He had a party. Invited all his friends. Wow, that was great. Let's see if you can do it from the beginning. Ready? Point to yourself. I know a number. His name is 10. He had a party. Invited all his friends. Oh, you have got it. That's fantastic. And listen out for the addition facts of 10 that came to the party, like 5 and 5 and 6 and 4, 7 and 3. Here we go. It's the Friends of 10. I know a number. His name is 10. He had a party, invited all his friends. Well, 5 and 5 they danced the jive, and 6 and 4 they cheered and roared. 7 and 3 they yelled yippee, oh yeah. 'Cause I know a number. His name is 10. He had a party, invited all his friends. 9 and 1 were having fun. 8 and 2 knew what to do. And 4 and 6 they played the mix, oh yeah. I know a number. His name is 10. He had a party, invited all his friends. 1 and 9 arrived on time. 3 and 7 came with Kevin. With 2 and 8 they brought the cake, oh yeah. 'Cause I know a number, his name is 10. He had a party, invited all his friends. Well, 10 and 0 came as superheroes. Yeah, 0 and 10 arrived at the end. And all the numbers said, let's sing it again. Wave your hands in the air now, here we go. La 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 la. The friends of 10. La 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 la. The friends of 10. La 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 la. The friends of 10. The friends of 10. Wow, that was amazing. So wonderful, fantastic, everybody. It's great to see you doing the actions to the friends of 10. All right, boys and girls, you have been a magnificent audience, and this is the final song. It's called Hey Yeah, I Love to Read. I hope you love to read too, because I do. Let's punch the air. Here we go. Hey yeah, I love to read. Let's do it again. Hey, yeah, I love to read. That is wonderful. And since this is our final song, everybody, I need to see you dancing. Yeah, so remember when I sing, hey, yeah, I love to read, make sure you're punching the air and then doing your dance move. So standing up, everybody, it's, hey, yeah, I love to read. Here we go. Hey, yeah, I love to read. 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 We'll pick up a good book and start to read. It'll take you to places that you've never been. Exciting adventures await you. Well, stories that you love, you know it's true. Hey, yeah, I love to read. 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 Stories that you love, heroes and villains too. Get lost in other worlds, it's a thing to do. When you're reading, your imagination comes alive. Wonderful stories keep you satisfied. Hey, yeah, I love to read. Hey, yeah, I love to read. Here we go now. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. I love to read. Hey, yeah, 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 I love to read. Yes, that was fantastic. Thank you so much, boys and girls. Thank you, everyone, for having me in your classroom today. You have been an amazing audience. This is Rocking Dan Teaching Man saying goodbye for now. Goodbye, everybody. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Goodbye.